got a mold and a plan tonight. Colors swirling in the fading light. A little clear, a little gold above. I'm gonna pour resin with love. Pour resin with love, let it flow. Catch the moment in a shimmering glow. Layers stack like stories from above. All I need is to pour with love. I see the bubbles, they rise and dart, trapped like secrets close to my heart. And every ripple, every tiny shove, I'm gonna pour resin with love. Magic swirls like whispers in the deep, a solid dream I can hold and keep. Every crack, every line I'm proud of, pouring resin, pouring it with love. Pour resin with love, let it flow. Catch the moment in a shimmering glow. Layers stack like stories from above. All I need is to pour with love. When it hardens, it tells a tale of neon waves and a fragile sail. Imperfect art, it fits like a glove, a testament to pouring with love. Oh, when it hardens, it tells a tale of neon waves and a fragile sail. Imperfect art, it fits like a glove, a testament to pouring with love. When it hardens,
Pour resin, love, watch it swirl like a pool of clear water.